Most drivers think all dash cams are basically the same. But what if your front and rear cameras couldn't just record in 4K, but actually capture license plates from 30 meters away, even at night? Today, we're breaking down the Vantrue S1 Pro Max, a dual dash cam that promises crystal clear 4K front and 2.5K rear footage, advanced night vision, and smart features like GPS, ADAS, and 5G Wi-Fi. Welcome to Autovated, where we cut through the specs and hype to see what actually works. I've gone through expert tests, verified buyer feedback, and competitor comparisons to give you the full picture. The S1 Pro Max stands out with its dual STARVIS 2 sensors, Sony IMX678 up front, IMX675 in the rear, and PlatePix technology, combining HDR and ultra-wide angles, 155 degrees front, 160 degrees rear, to eliminate blind spots. In practice, this means your dashcam captures clear, full-scene evidence for insurance or legal needs, day or night. For commuters, road trippers, or taxi drivers, this clarity can make all the difference. Other features include 15-second buffered event recording, loop recording, a rugged supercapacitor for safety, and IP67-rated rear camera durability. You can also add LTE for remote alerts and live streaming if desired. Key features to note. 1. Dual STARVIS 2 plus PlatePix night vision ensures license plates and low-light details are crisp, even on dim streets. 2. Buffered event recording in parking mode captures crucial moments 15 seconds before incidents. Optimized storage keeps important footage without manual deletion. 3. 5G Wi-Fi, GPS and voice control quickly transfer footage, log routes, and operate the camera hands-free for safer driving. 4. Supercapacitor and 1 terabyte support, safer than traditional batteries, supports marathon recording sessions for up to 86 hours at 4K 30 FPS. Pros: excellent video quality front and rear, robust night vision, wide field of view, long-term reliability with supercapacitor, easy installation under 60 minutes, durable rear camera with IP67 rating. Cons: parking mode requires a separate hardwire kit, LTE connectivity is optional but adds cost. Slightly higher price point than single-channel competitors. Compared to competitors like the Blackview DR900X-2CH or ThinkWare U1000, the Vantrue S1 Pro Max delivers comparable or better front-rear resolution and low-light performance, while offering more robust buffering and PlatePix clarity for license plates. Blackview may have sleeker app integration, but at a higher cost, and ThinkWare's optional rear camera struggles with nighttime clarity. For most users, Vantrue balances performance, features, and affordability. If this breakdown is helping you steer through the dashcam maze, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell to make sure your knowledge stays in the fast lane. Build quality is solid. The front and rear cameras feature high-grade housings and rugged construction. The supercapacitor eliminates battery-related explosion risks, and market data shows 0 safety incidents to date. Installation is beginner-friendly thanks to strong adhesive mounts and static stickers. And the 18-month warranty plus firmware updates ensure long-term reliability. Customer support has a solid reputation for responsiveness, with 24/7 assistance available. Who it's for? Daily commuters, road trippers, and professional drivers who want detailed, reliable evidence in both daytime and low-light conditions. Less ideal for those who want plug-and-play LTE alerts without buying additional modules. Verdict: strong option. If you value ultra-clear front-rear video, PlatePix night license plate capture, and robust low-light performance, the Vantrue S1 Pro Max is one of the strongest dual-channel dashcams in its class. For budget-conscious buyers, consider slightly lower resolution alternatives like the Vantrue N4, but you'll sacrifice night clarity and PlatePix precision. Thanks for watching. The link to get the Vantrue S1 Pro Max is in the comments and description. Have questions or already own this dashcam? Drop a comment and share your experience. Until next time, stay safely recorded and fully automated.